Hey!
Ah!
We have to get a box replacement!
Okay.
Right now!
Right here?
Right here, right now!
Right here, right now.
Right here, right now. We're not even gonna think about it. We're just gonna find random objects and do it.
Alright, let's do this!
Yeah!
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 I just pooped a little! I'm gonna go inside too.
A stool!
Yeah, I don't like this box. Can we do another one?
This is too big.
Ah! Well, we're running low on options. So a bag! Wind's kind of... oh no, it's ripping! It's ripping! Ah! 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 Ah!
Well, since the plastic bag didn't work, I'm gonna use a trash bag. Since we did this before, this should be perfectly safe. It's just a replacement.
William?
It's a box!
Ah!
Trash can.
Ah! Ah! This is faucet! I can't get in it. Whoa. Oh, there's a bee! Faucet! Okay. Pot! It's a pot! What? What? The camera can hear you! What the fuck? A pot! Yeah! Get in it! Hey, it's a substitute! Oh.
Huh?
Chair! I actually like the foot on the box. It's more comfortable. There's more space and sit in different positions. So like a box, we have to stand in it.
And fall in it.
This doesn't fall. It doesn't fall. It doesn't fall. It doesn't. You have.
That's what it is.
Sometimes something beautiful happens in this world, and you don't have to. You don't know how to express yourself. So you have to sing. You didn't stop that, did you? You didn't stop it, did you?
Oh, yeah. Yeah?
Oh, shit. Oh, no! No, no, shit! Ow! I'm just gonna lay here for a while.